What's going on, everybody? Got a box of the brand new 2018 Triple Threads Baseball. Mike Trout on the box yet again. Seems like they couldn't figure out somebody else to put on, so why not just put Trout on there again? I mean, seems like they love Trout. I mean, can't blame them, but that's beside the point. I'm just blabbering about nothing. Let's see if we got anything good in this. Seems like a regular old box in terms of weight, but who knows? Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm being dumb here, but it feels like normal weight. But we'll see how thick these packs are. Okay. Looks pretty normal to me. This one I think is a little thicker, but so we'll open this one first. How about that? Let's go. Alright, come on. Let's get a good box here. I'll take a Yankee PC hit. Something nice. Come on. Alright. We got, I think, 2 cards. Yeah, 2 cards from the back. So let's pull the parallels up. We got a /50 Josh Donaldson. Hang on. Let me fix that. There we go. Maybe zoom in slightly more. There we go. This is, I think, a black parallel. 28/50. Really love the base this year. Just the shine, I don't know what I think it just looks neat. It looks professional. Like, I just love it. I think it looks like really good. Triple Threads pretty much every year looks good, but I think this looks a little bit better than the last year or two or something like that. So this is Trey Turner, 175 of 199. I guess orange. We got a Justin Verlander base, Ted Williams base, and one more base, Chipper Jones. Alright, I don't know what's gonna be first. I think, let's flip it. Oh, it's auto. Austin Hayes, rookie auto. Not bad, 70 of 99. Alright, and let's see. Oh, oops. It's a Blue Jay. Out of 27, Marcus Stroman wins. 6 of 27. Look at the back real quick. If it'll zoom in. I guess, there you go. And the Austin Hayes. That's just what the back looks like. Alright. Austin Hayes didn't do anything really this year, so yeah. Wait. Okay. I think we have a thick card in there. Yeah, there's a thickie there. So we at least got a patch. I think it's gold. Alright. Alright, here. Hang on. Marcus Stroman. 132 of 259, green. Marcell Ozuna, 246 of 299, purple. Alex Bregman, Derek Jeter base, Johnny Bench. Let's look at the card. Hang on, we'll just get a base. I don't know what that is because the card. The better card is in back, so let's do this. I don't know what the card is in back. Close my eyes. So that way we can, hang on, flip this. That way we can flip this. Alright, so I'll leave that right there. because I believe this card's supposed to be this way. Max Fried. Okay, so we got some patches on the next card. This is out of 3 of 35. Very nice looking design. This is rookies and future phenoms. Max Fried. So the autos, both rookies. Hopefully they pan out. Let's see what the patch is. I think it's this way. I think it's this way. Who is that? Oh, it's just thick. Dang it. It's just a Brandon Crawford 21 of 27. God damn, yeah, that was a bad box. Jesus, that's so thick. Holy cow, just for not even a patch card. Like, what the heck? So, pretty bad box. I tend to have a lot of bad luck with triple threads, so. Alright, oh well. I don't even know what the hit of the box is. It's probably one of these. So, that was disappointing. I was hoping for at least a patch at the end. Alright, that is it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.